Meanwhile, in an interview with TVJ News, the National Water Commission NWC highlighted several projects aimed at strengthening infrastructure for future dry spells. This as rainfall levels remain critically low and temperatures continue to soar. Romardo Lyons reports.
2026, arguably the driest months Jamaica has experienced in decades. Pipes drip unenthused. Rivers lose millions of gallons. The rain, seemingly a distant friend who visits every now and then. That's why the National Water Commission NWC is stressing the importance of work that's underway to assist expanding the Hermitage Dam. Corporate Public Relations Manager Delano Williams.
Minister Samuda, members of the NARA team and members of the NWC team would have visited Hermitage to basically come up to speed with how far that assessment would be. So there are two immediate things now underway. The assessment and then kickoff of the work to expand the Hermitage Dam.
Mr. Williams also pointed to the construction of the 15 million gallon water pump station at the Rio Kobe Content Plant in St. Catherine. That project started in 2025. Now, as the country grapples with a drought, the big question is, where is it in terms of completion?
It is now just about 50%. It is expected to be completed by May of 2027. Those two will help us to realize some of the resilience or satisfy the need for water currently in the city and also in areas of St. Catherine. Once we've attained that, then we will move to making a further assessment of what is the next best step for the Mona, whether it's to desilt or to desilt and expand.
Desilting the dam is the process of removing built-up sand, mud, and dirt from the bottom of a water reservoir. The action restores the water storage space, prevents damage to pipes and valves, and lowers the risk of floods.
The expansion now of the Hermitage will allow us to even build greater resilience. One, when there is a glut of water through heavy rainfall during the historical rainy seasons, which we hope don't change, then we are able to harness more water. So it means that we have water on the network. It means that we can delay, if not totally eliminate, the need for water regulations, such as the ones now in effect for sections of Kingston.
The government will be imposing a general ban on non-essential water use across 7 parishes starting Monday, August 17, 2026. On top of that, there are daily scheduled water lockoffs and restrictions across several communities due to critically low levels at the Mona Reservoir and Hermitage Dam. Mr. Williams says the NWC is working to avoid these measures in the future.
So we're looking at taking out of the equation the need for regulations because of the disruption it brings to homes, to businesses, and just the normal day-to-day ways of life on the country.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.